Introducing Insta Floss, the world's first device that flosses your teeth automatically in just 10 seconds. Insta Floss is 2 times more effective than manual flossing and infinitely more comfortable. With swappable mouthpieces and adjustable pressure, Insta Floss makes flossing easy for everyone. With one sweep, pulsing water jets floss for you, never missing a single spot. The jets floss thoroughly between each tooth and clean deeper into the gums than string. Compared to string, water flossing is more effective at reducing gingivitis, reducing bleeding, and removing plaque. The jets clean 360 degrees around each tooth and are always at the dentist's recommended 90-degree angle. InstaFloss feels great, works with braces, dental prostheses, and teeth of any shape, so you can keep your smile beautiful in just 10 seconds a day. With InstaFloss, even those nights you're exhausted, it'll be easier than ever to floss quickly and comfortably, so you can spend more time doing what you love. InstaFloss, the world's first 10-second floss.